Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. So I will be sharing with you how to upload a picture on YouTube to your community. But I believe we all heard what community is. So this is it. I'm in the YouTube app, clicking on the post. Remember the new channel we created of recent. Now bear in mind guys that if you want to upload a thumbnail on a new YouTube channel, you really need to do something called verification, but we'll get into that in another video. So on this one, we're here to upload a picture. So this is me picking the picture I want to post in my community. Then it took me to the other details side where I can put on a title, put on a text on the picture just as you're seeing on the screen. You can as well change the color of this particular text. You can change the font, stuff like that guys. That's what is currently happening on the screen. So like I said earlier, you can before you place a YouTube thumbnail, before you place a thumbnail on your video for a new channel, you really need to do something called verification. You will need a phone number, and YouTube will have to send you a message. Yes, they'll send you a text to that phone number. We'll get into that guys. So this is me trying to fit in the filters to see if I like any, but I think I left it. Then we move to sticker. This is me just showing you that you can actually place a sticker on your still photos. So from that, after that is done, you go ahead and click on done, right? Just ready on the screen as you can see. Then you put on a title, a caption guide. You type in whatever it is you want to put that is representing the picture you're about to upload to your community. So after that is done, you can go ahead with hashtags as you can see on the screen. So once your hashtags is done, you see the three dots by the side. You get to click on it. That gives you different options on if you want to schedule your post. So this is me showing you that you can actually schedule your post. You get to turn it on and you choose the date and timing. Then expiration, none. Expiration meaning if you click on that, your post will definitely get to expire after 24 hours a day. So this is me trying to also show you guys that you can click on up to 5 pictures on your community tab. You can post up to 5 pictures on your community tab. So for the purpose of this video, I won't be using them, so I had to take them off. But if you would need more than 4 pictures, then do all to go ahead. So after all that is set, we click on post. Yes guys, your picture has been uploaded. This is it, sitting pretty on your YouTube homepage in the community tab, which is also known as post. So guys, you can add comments to that particular post. That's where you get to see comments from your viewers and subscribers. Then you can also share that picture. You can share and invite friends to come see and like your picture as well. So this is the scheduled post. If there's any scheduled post, it will appear there. The archived post, if there's any, it will appear there. The archive post following that, those pictures you get to put under expiration. After 24 hours, it automatically moves into the archived post. And the post activity is also there. Then the published will show you what you've published so far. So guys, that's it. I do hope you find this video helpful. See you in my next one. Bye.